designed to adapt to the way your kitchen works. The Aperion series is designed to fit seamlessly into any kitchen. With 4 belt size options, 16, 20, 24 and 28-inch models, you can choose the capacity that suits your operation. Available in countertop or freestanding configurations, the Aperion can be installed as a single, double or triple stack, with gas, electric or ventless electric options. The conveyor can even switch directions at the push of a button, making it easy to fit the Aperion into any space. Keeping operations running smoothly is just as simple. The removable front door provides easy access to the conveyor and finger panels, allowing them to be removed and reinstalled quickly without complicated steps or risk of misalignment. Maintenance has never been easier or faster. With high-capacity performance, a compact footprint and Lincoln's renowned bake quality, the Lincoln Aperion series delivers the speed, consistency and reliability your kitchen can count on.